He went ahead and tilled up a patch for our tomatoes and our peppers. And the problem right now is putting them in the backyard where the garden was by the greenhouse last year. The dogs have been trying to get into the gardens. So we went ahead and moved it over here, and I have this wheelbarrow of rabbit poo that I'm gonna go ahead and spread on this, and then he's gonna till it back in again.
So I don't know if you can see, but there's a metal plate on this side, but I took the other side off. So I did that for whenever I'm hilling like the corn and stuff. That way it blows the dirt up on it, makes like a hill, ridge line. So what I'm doing now is I'm going right in the middle of this manure. I just kicked some over to this side. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to kick it that way. Alright, I'm getting ready to make a trellis kind of like this one. This one will be for tomatoes. That way the kids, they can go in between. We can actually go in here if we need to, go take care of the chickens without having to go all the way around. So it'll be fun for the kids and be able to go on the outside of it or the inside of it to pick up tomatoes. So, which I don't know what kind of tomatoes you're planning on putting in there, but
Big ones. Red beef steak.
red beef steak. So this ought to give good support for them big tomatoes in. Here.
All right, so we have the trellis up, so he's going to go ahead and burn some holes into the fabric for the tomatoes. Probably one on each side.
Like on the ends or?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, be good. All right, it's time to get to planting. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and plant some of these tomatoes that I've grown in the greenhouse. These are all going to be the red beef steak, which they're going to be the big, red, juicy tomatoes like you buy at the grocery store, only better. Oh, that's getting a nice root system.
Looks like you got more than one tomato in there.
I've got 3, so I'm just going to separate them out. All right, so we have our first 4 tomatoes of the season planted.
Mommy's planting some more tomatoes. So as you can see, I had 3 short pieces of cattle panel. We actually used them as trellises for peas that didn't do very good because we had them close to onions and stuff. So this year they're going to be used for tomatoes. So
Daddy.
You said all these are the beef masters?
These are still the red beef steak.
Beef steak. Okay.
We've also got some large yellow tomatoes. I can't remember what they're called, but we'll either put them down here or at site 1. I haven't decided yet. Depends how much room we have.
Wanna do? Yes.
So I haven't really looked in a whole lot about that electric gardening or whatever. But supposedly all this metal and everything like that, when there's like a lightning storm, it's supposed to like jump the plants up, like double in size, like overnight. So we actually got some rain coming tonight. I don't know if it'll be a thunderstorm or not, but
Wanna do?
I'm hoping this will actually help. I mean, regardless, we still do it just so they have something to climb on. Then you can also see this is all comfrey, guys. That's growing on this pawpaw tree, growing under it, and it's starting to flower out and everything. So it looks like it's starting to kind of branch out underneath, so that's good. So maybe in a few years it'll branch out enough, maybe we can start making some cuttings and selling them too. Then I already put a few holes. She's gonna put a few peppers right here on the front. Might put another row, and then on the other side of that trellis we put up, we got quite a bit of room for other stuff. So
Mommy, honey came.
good job, babe.
Tomato plants.
I think 8 tomato plants will get you quite a few beef master tomatoes.
Yep.
More than we can eat for sure.
Good for the produce stand.
Oh yeah. What are you planting now, hon?
These are California Wonder peppers.
California Wonder peppers.
Too tight.
And they're pretty small seedlings still.
I can't want me.
The ones I planted last year were pretty small, but I put them in the ground too, and they did really good.
There's Daddy.
Well, honey,
I want to find ladybugs on by the tree.
I haven't seen no ladybugs yet this year, honey.
No, I'm talking about lightning bugs.
Oh, lightning bugs? Well, it ain't dark out. They ain't gonna come out. And like I said, I think it needs to just get a little bit warmer.
A little bit warmer outside?
Yep. Here this summer, it'll look like the stars in the sky. There'll be so many of them.
And you were going to ask us it have lightning bugs?
Mm-hmm.
So was I after from bed, now maybe later from bedtime?
Yep. We'll stay up one or two nights and we'll just go out and catch lightning bugs.
Yay!
Won't that be fun?
Yeah. No. It's going to be slow like this. Yeah. Like this. It's going to have lights on the back.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait.
Me too.
All right. Now we've got 5 pepper plants planted of the California Wonder. Well, guys, we planted the last couple of days, and it'll be May 1st tomorrow, and it's hailing outside. So I guess we'll see what happens to our plants.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.